Hello there, very good afternoon to you. Well, we can expect the dry weather to continue for the rest of the day. Plenty of bright and sunny spells as that cloud breaks up and feeling quite warm in any sunshine, highs of 16 to 17 degrees. Into tonight, staying dry, and we'll have clear spells for the most part. The wind's picking up slightly, so up to a moderate force 4 to fresh force 5 and minimum temperatures of 10 to 12 degrees. Now tomorrow it will be dry once more, just a touch of cloud in the morning, but that should break up, so we'll still get those bright and sunny periods later. More blustery winds though, fresh force 5 to strong force 6, but pretty warm still with highs of 17 to 18 degrees.
Prouty, honestly, you're in all sorts. Really?
We can see the likeness, can't we, Lily?
A little bit.
There isn't a pumpkin big enough to get my big nose in, that's for sure. Yeah, dear.
But sticking with seasonal vegetables, we're also seeing a lot of mushrooms popping up, aren't we? Not looking like Jonathan.
Hopefully not,
well,
hopefully not. But we have had lots of mushroom pictures coming in, and actually autumn is one of the best times of year to see all the different varieties popping up. So I've got some lovely ones, some mushrooms. It's safe to look at them, safe to touch them, but absolutely do not eat any wild mushrooms unless they've been verified by an expert, as it can be not very safe at all if you don't know what you're doing. But great to take some pictures and lovely to see them.
Yeah, very well said about that advice as well. I'm not actually a massive fan of the mushroom, actually, but I'm a massive fan of the sun, and we had lots of it today, didn't we?
We had some lovely weather conditions today. Lots of sunshine again, lots of sunny pictures sent in. Highs around 7 direction. As the wind changes, it's going to get a little bit cooler and also more unsettled. We could have some rain on the way. But let's get all the details now. Here's your full forecast. Well, we've had some fine weather today, other than a bit of cloud to begin. That then broke up, so some bright and sunny spells and feeling quite warm as well. Highs of around 17 degrees. Tomorrow, more of the same. It is going to be dry. We'll have the bright periods once again, more likely into the afternoon, and it will feel pleasant and warm in any sunshine. Actually, temperatures up a notch from today, but the key difference tomorrow is it is going to feel more breezy with some slightly blustery winds at times. Back to tonight then, it's staying dry, and we'll have clear spells for the most part. The winds coming from that southeasterly direction already starting to pick up to a moderate force 4 to fresh force 5. Minimum temperatures tonight of around 10 to 12 degrees. So tomorrow it is going to be dry once again. The cloudiest of the conditions to start in the morning. It could be a bit overcast at times, but we'll see that cloud breaking up, so some sunshine and some bright periods once again into the afternoon. As I said, feeling breezier. By later on tomorrow, the winds could be a fresh force 5, even to a strong force 6 at times, coming from that southerly direction, so feeding in slightly warmer air, meaning it is still mild tomorrow, highs of 17 to 18 degrees. Let's get our high water times then, around midday and then around midnight, with a sea temperature of 15.9 degrees. So moving along later in the week, you'll see this weather front, a cold front in fact, is approaching, bringing some wet weather on Thursday night into Friday, turning all unsettled, and behind the cold front will be into this slightly cooler air, which we can see reflected in our temperatures. After a warm day tomorrow, it's going to dip back down from Friday and turn all a bit changeable and unsettled with some wet weather on the way. Hello there, very good evening to you. Well, we had some fine weather today, some sunshine and bright spells, and more of that to come tomorrow. It is going to be another dry day with bright periods once we get through some initial morning cloud, and feeling quite pleasant and warm in any of the sunshine. So not bad temperatures tomorrow, actually up a degree or so on today. The key difference though is it is going to feel breezier with some blustery winds. Tonight though, it is going to be dry and we'll have clear spells mainly. The winds coming from a southeasterly direction already starting to pick up to a moderate force 4, maybe even a fresh force 5 at times, with minimum temperatures of 10 to 12 degrees. So looking dry once again tomorrow, the cloudiest of the conditions first thing. It could be a touch overcast in the morning, but by the afternoon we'll notice that cloud cover starting to break up with bright and sunny periods. The winds fresh force 5 to strong force 6 at times, so it's going to be quite breezy, but in any sheltered spots in the sunshine, feeling quite warm once again with highs of 17 and 18 degrees. Now if we notice on our outlook though, things are going to get a touch cooler from Friday, temperatures just dropping slightly, and it's turning more unsettled as well with some rain on its way.